Are you seriously scratching the whole car just so you can get to me? Oh my God, Blue. What are you doing? Alright, welcome back. Today, this morning, we gotta do an emergency fix. Yesterday, my AC went out in the Acura. So the Lexus has been sitting here because of the sensor arm is broken for the airbag. So it doesn't detect if that side is up or down. I've just kind of left it, you know, sitting and not fixed. So I did luckily order the rod or the arm a few days ago, and now we get to put it in. Here's the beautiful reveal. Luckily CJ washed the car before we stored it, so it's gonna look nice. You can see where Blue's paw prints are all over this thing. I have no idea what happened. I think the battery died. When it said it was 100% when I started. 100% battery. Alright, first thing I gotta do is hook up the battery charger. We're using the supercharged CJ Elco Genius Pro Plus with our LED display readout. 10 volts. You can see that. Maybe it's probably flashing like crazy. Alright, so our issue is I've got to work on this wheel within this space. Still not done with the countertops yet. I still got the wood everywhere. So let's put the wood in somewhere else. The last thing I need is for this to fall on the car. Okay, so I did grab the socket. We need to jack this thing up. I guess we need to air this thing up to jack it up. Hopefully the keys are in it. Airbags are on. There goes the compressor. It hardly has any battery pressure. Pressure. Any battery voltage, juice, whatever you want to call it. Definitely not pressure. It's not on at all. It's not running those compressors very good. Sorry, folks. It's early this morning. I'm not prepared for this, but I'd rather try and fix it now and have AC. I don't know what that means. Probably means something bad. It's like a spaceship. Off. On. 1.9 volts. Yeah, it's not happy right now. If this was off, this would help. Off. It's not happy. Well, I need something. I need some help here. It's not gonna do it. We need more power. More power. Okay, maybe I can try and get the jack underneath it without airing up the airbag, but I'm not sure that's possible. Oh, pause video. I gotta find my jack. Dude, what are you doing? Ruining my paint again? Blue, you're gonna make the car so heavy I won't be able to get it up. CJ, you didn't clean this. Look at that bird poop on the wheel. Alright, that might be enough. We still gotta do the big brake kit on this thing. Alright, now let's see the culprit. Right here. See, I got no arm. Uh-oh, and I don't have the other piece either. That's gonna be a problem. Okay. We haven't found our upper half yet. We probably need to figure out why this thing's breaking. New one. Ta-da! Alright, so a few things I noticed. There's no keyway in there. Is there a keyway in here? No, there's not. These holes were tight enough to where I could just stick those screws in there. Now you want to put it on. Oh shit. Exactly like it was. I guess it really doesn't matter. Oh my gosh. Screwdriver failed. You're all the way in there. Hopefully this thing's in there properly. Going into something. Is that on there all the way? Yeah. Okay. So now all we have to do is find the rest of that arm. After a few words from our sponsor. I don't remember where I put the broken piece. If I was smart, I would have put it in the car. But with the car cover on, I seriously doubt I did that. Hot sauce? Really? I don't even eat hot sauce. There's nothing in here. Let's look at the toolbox. Oh, I just stepped on the hot sauce. Okay, this is the absolute mess. One thing that we have to work on is cleaning up after ourselves. It's not happening around here. Everything's an emergency, just like this project right now. I should be leaving for work in about 15 minutes, and that's probably not gonna happen. But on top of my toolbox, usually I put everything on top of the toolbox. Yeah, even the stickers that should be on the toolbox. You know, half of the stuff is organized. A little bit of it's trash. Looks like I'm missing drill bits. Great, those are expensive. You know, it's not like I don't know where they go, because I got labels on everything. There's no way it's here. I don't see it anywhere. How did these get there? This doesn't belong at all. What was that noise? It must have been this battery says it's charged. Yep, it's not here. No way. Great. It's probably lost in the abyss of my office. I do have some other pieces, like spare part, and maybe I have another one there, I hope. I remember working on this thing earlier, and I had to use the spare parts. I bet I don't have any. Everything a disorganized mess. Spare parts for the Lexus. None of which, maybe I'll find my keys in here. None of these are suspension parts. Seriously now? That electrical tape's no good. Minus these air fittings, this is like a relay kit. Oh my god, that residue from the tape is all over the place. We should probably keep all this together. I don't know what I'm gonna do besides order some arms, and then I'll have to like tape it or zip tie it or something to that thing. Oh, this is a nightmare. Not a good day in RJ land. Gloves. Okay, well, I'm out of ideas. I'm gonna go look another couple places in the shop, because usually I work on the other side in the other bay, but maybe I stuck it over there. And this is a mess. What happens is I start cleaning something, and then I find all these parts that don't belong. So then I start moving stuff and place it in areas where it should go, but not actually put away. So this is kind of the wiring section. So I just been dumping, anything that looks like a wire, has been dumping it there. And then not having time to go back and put it somewhere. What is that thing? Fuse holder? I don't know. Zip ties. I'm running low on zip ties. I need one of those. These are spare gloves. Is there anything in here? Trash. I'll probably forget I put those in there. I'm sure those screws don't go in there. Hey, look, the door is organized somewhat. CJ, we gotta finish this pallet wall so I can get all this stuff out of my way. I am going to pause the video and figure out a way to rig this. Blue, have you come to help? Where's the parts, Blue? Where are they at? We need them. Let's not get your claws all over the fender. You already scratched this car enough. What I'm about to do is not advised, but I think it's my only option to get halfway. Blue, you're not helping. The zip tie won't even fit in there. You can see what's going on here. Craziness. I don't even think this is the right hole, honestly. It's probably not even gonna work. Oh. This fender is like getting the hairs on the back of my neck every time I touch it. Now you see what I see. Oh shit. I'm just gonna keep hitting the camera. You guys are gonna lose your minds. Okay, so we can get this right there, I guess. No way. Dude, there's not. Oh. This is never gonna work. Oh, let me get some different zip ties. Okay, I got some different zip ties. Hopefully these will carry the load. This is a bad idea. You know, you tied it to the back side of this. How are you gonna get it? There's no way this is gonna work. And then it's gonna have to be recalibrated for this height. It is not terrible. I gotta leave like right now. Ow! I don't know if you heard that hair ripping out. Okay, yeah, that's the best we're gonna get, I think. I wonder if I got any hairs on that fender. Let's air this thing up. Let's see what happens. It says we're full on our battery. Are you seriously scratching the whole car just so you can get to me? doing? Let's destroy everything, just so you can have a place to sit. Where are you going? Ain't nothing back there for you. Okay, airbags are going up. I'm trying to prop the seat up so I can hold the camera. Oh, we're about to run out of battery juice. 12.6 on the dial. Blue's back there doing who knows what. Maybe he's gonna find our piece we were missing. I'm gonna try and make the front end go up. Let's make the back end go up. Let's put on number 3, see what happens. Oh, I think we should start this thing. It's been like months since we started the Lexus. Get out there. Oh shit. Don't fall. Okay. We need to get this in off-road mode. It's still not high enough. Up. Maybe we don't have enough pressure yet. I got a Versa in my way. Oh, I can't get out. I'm doing all this work for nothing. Oh no, I'm totally screwed. There ain't no way I'm getting out of there. You're such an idiot. Why not think about this? All right, so I'm going to work with no AC. Actually, I don't need it in the morning usually, but in the afternoon I really need it. Yeah, so I've been working on a whole thing back here, cleaning up in the yard, and now I've blocked my path. I can't go anywhere. All right, so this is a very disappointing video. You'll probably see the end of it when I get all that stuff cleared out. And now I'm 15 minutes late to work, so I'll see you in the comments.